is types of polynomials. Polynomials are types enti. So we have to differentiate the polynomials by using terms and by using degree. Okay, so according to terms, what are the types of polynomials means? First one is monomial, second one is binomial, third one is trinomial. If a polynomial having more than 3 terms, those are called multinomials. So generally those are called as multinomials. So what is monomial? Monomial means a polynomial having only one term. That polynomial is called monomial. For example, 7x or 6x square or 3x cube, like that. Here 7x, it is containing only one term, so it is a monomial. 6x square, it is also containing only one term, and 3x cube, it is also containing only one term. So a polynomial having only one term, that polynomial is called monomial. ఒకే ఒక టర్మ్ ఉంటే ఆ polynomial ని మనం monomial అంటాము. Okay, binomial means 2 terms. A polynomial having 2 terms, that kind of polynomial is called binomial. For example, 3x square plus 2. This polynomial having how many terms? 3x square is one term, constant is another term. So these are 2 terms. So this is a binomial. Another example is 7x plus 2. Like that. That means a polynomial having 2 terms, that polynomial is called binomial. Next, trinomial. Tri means 3, means a polynomial having 3 terms, that kind of polynomial is called trinomial. So here trinomial means having 3, tri means 3. So for example, 3x square plus 4x plus 2. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3. So this is a trinomial. Or 3x cube plus 4x minus 4. How many terms here? 3x cube, 4x, 4. 3 terms. So it is a trinomial. Then a polynomial having more than 3 means 4 terms or 5 terms or 6 terms or any. So that kind of polynomials are called multinomials. So multinomial means a polynomial having more than 3 terms. For example, a polynomial having 4 terms, 3x cube plus 4x square plus 4x plus 4. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is called quadrinomial, or more than 3, so it is called multinomial. Or a polynomial having 5 terms, 3x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 2x square plus 2x minus 2. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 terms. So a polynomial having more than 3, either 4 terms or 5 terms or 6 terms or more than 3 terms, that kind of polynomials are called multinomial. So types of polynomials, first differentiation is according to terms. According to terms, polynomials are monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. Having 1 term monomial, having 2 terms binomial, having 3 terms trinomial, and more than 3 terms are called multinomials. So this is the classification according to terms. According to degree. So according to degree, what are the types of polynomials? Means here linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial or quartic polynomial, quintic polynomials, and so on. Okay, here what is meant by linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree is 1, that polynomials are called linear polynomials. So which polynomial having degree is 1, that kind of polynomials are called linear polynomials. For example, 3x plus 4, it is a polynomial. Then the degree of polynomial means here the x variable is, x power is 1. So here the power is 1, so degree of this polynomial is 1. That is why it is called a linear polynomial. Or 4x is a polynomial, here the degree is 1. So it is also a linear polynomial, means a polynomial having 1 degree, that is called a linear polynomial. So by this way we generalize the equation of a linear polynomial. So what is the general form of a linear polynomial? Means the general form of linear polynomial is p of x is equal to ax plus b. So ax plus b is a general form of a linear polynomial where a is not equal to 0. That means here a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then the total ax term becomes 0. So there is no linear polynomial. That is why if polynomial with variable x, so p of x is equal to ax plus b is the general form of a linear polynomial. So linear polynomial means having degree 1. Next, quadratic polynomial. So which polynomials of degree 2? Which polynomial having degree 2, that kind of polynomials are called quadratic polynomials. For example, 3x square plus 2x plus 2. This is a polynomial and its degree is highest power is 2, so degree is 2. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. So this polynomial is a quadratic polynomial. Or 4x square minus 4. Here what is the degree? 2 is the degree. So this is also a quadratic polynomial. Understand? By this way, the general form of a quadratic polynomial with variable x is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of a quadratic polynomial where a, b, c are constants and x are variables. And the condition is a is not equal to 0. So p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is what? Quadratic polynomial, because its degree is 2. Okay, next one is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 3. Which polynomial having degree is 3, that polynomials are called cubic polynomials. So what is the example? Any cubic polynomial, x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 2. This is a polynomial, x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 2. Which polynomial it is? Here degree means what is the highest power? 3 is the highest power of variable. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. That is why it is called a cubic polynomial. Or another example, 4x cube minus 8. So this is a polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial here? Highest power is 3. So 3 is the degree of the polynomial. So this is also example for cubic polynomial. And the general form of a cubic polynomial with respect to x variable, so p of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a, b, c, d are constants and x is a variable. So general form of a cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. That means the first x cube multiplication means multiply is not the 0. So next, biquadratic polynomial. So which polynomials degree is 4? Which polynomials degree is 4, that kind of polynomials are called biquadratic polynomial or quadratic polynomials. Okay, so degree 4 means, take an example, 4x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 4. This is a polynomial, 4x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 4. Here what is the degree? The highest power is x power 4. So the degree of the polynomial is 4. That kind of polynomials are called biquadratic polynomials, and the general form of biquadratic polynomial with variable x is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Here a, b, c, d, e are the constants where a is not equal to 0. That means here it must be not equal to 0. So these are called biquadratic polynomials. And what is quintic polynomial means? Having degree 5. So which polynomial's degree is 5? That kind of polynomials are called quintic polynomials, and more than degrees also there. So like this, these are the different kinds of polynomials according to degree. In this, very important, that is general form of a linear polynomial, general form of a quadratic polynomial, and general form of a cubic polynomial is important. And these are the concepts. With degree 1 linear polynomial, with degree 2 quadratic polynomial, with degree 3 cubic polynomial, with degree 4 biquadratic polynomial, like the same way. So these are the types of polynomials according to degree and according to terms.